Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials, an account and a target location. Start now by opening File Explorer with Windows plus E or the taskbar icon. Once Explorer appears, click into the parent folder where the new folder will live. Make sure this is the right drive and path so you avoid clutter. You're beginning the action step immediately because choosing the correct location prevents later reorganization. Now pause to confirm you can see files and folders in that pane before you create anything. Now create the folder. Right-click inside the parent folder and choose New, then Folder, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N for speed. You'll see a new untitled folder ready to be named. Type a concise, descriptive name so files are easy to find. Once named, press Enter to save it. If you need subfolders, open the new folder and repeat the same quick step. This structure reduces duplication and speed searches, so plan names that reflect project date or file type for consistent organization. Finish by moving files into the new folder, drag and drop, or use cut and paste so everything is grouped. Once done, make sure the name and content are correct. Press F5 to refresh the view if Explorer still shows old names. If you can't create or rename a folder, check permissions. Right-click the parent folder, view properties, and verify you have right access or run Explorer as administrator. If Explorer becomes unresponsive, restart it from Task Manager and then retry. That usually clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.